Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. And today I want to show you this brand new stamp and die bundle that will be in the next mini catalogue that launches on the 4th of September 2024. I haven't actually used the stamps. I've just been playing with the dies, so I'm just going to show you the dies and then I'll show you what I have done with them. Okay, so there's 17 dies in this set. We have these 4 here and then we've got all of these ones. Okay, so this one here coordinates with that outline, and that can be used as an infill for that outline on that. And then you've got all your sentiments and all of these other bits here. So there is a die that will cut out those little baubles. There's one for the star, and there's one for this little ribbon thing there. Okay, and I think these tiny little dies are for trunks, for your Christmas tree trunks. And then we've got these other little bits that are garlands, and then you've got these other stamps that you could play around with as well. I quite like the look of that one. So as I say, I'm not actually using the stamps, but there are dies that coordinate with them, so that's why I thought I would show you that. And also, if you buy the stamps and the dies at the same time as a bundle, you save 10%. Okay, so what I've done is I've played about with this one. I've cut out quite a few in white and in Mossy Meadow for no particular reason except for the fact that I've got tons of Mossy Meadow card. It's clearly not one I use often enough, and I don't know why, because I do quite like it. And then I've used all of these other dies to cut out, to layer up. Okay, so this one cuts out this here. That layered over looks like that. And then I've actually gone ahead and layered up some of the other ones. So this snowflakey one looks like that. Okay. And then we've got this stripy one and dots, and it looks like that. I have done this one, but I'm going to save that, come back to that one. And then there are 2 smaller ones and then this little skinny one. So I've layered that one up as well. Try and keep these in shot as my page gets busier and busier. I have actually done that one the opposite way around and glued those together because I thought that looked better than that, to be honest. So that was a white background and Mossy Meadow on the top. Then we've got these other ones. Now they are quite a bit smaller than these ones. So these ones do a full cover from top to bottom on there. But with these ones, you can still layer them up and it would just look like that instead. Okay. So I still got this one just die cut, and I haven't layered that up yet, but I will show you what I did because it's really quite fine, and I thought it might be worthwhile sharing how I applied the glue on to that one. But now to come back to this one here. So I've cut this in white and I have added it to a mossy meadow background, but I've also incorporated some of these little accessory dies on this one. So we've got those little baubles, we've got that garland there, which cuts in 3 and 4 separate pieces there, and I've put on some of the bows, but I just glued them in the middle so that they can have a little bit of dimension on there. If I can get that to lift up a little, see what I mean, like that. Okay, so it is just glued in the middle. And then what I've done is I've added the star at the top. And then this is a new ribbon from the mini catalogue as well. It is a satin ribbon and it is Cherry Cobbler and Gold. Just beautiful, and it's nice and narrow as well. So I've sandwiched that in between my decorated tree and just added a plain white one on the back. Now these are symmetrical, so you can layer them up either way around. Okay, as I say, just sandwich that ribbon in between, and I've now got myself a little tag that I can add to a little gift. I just thought it would be nice to show you these combinations, because there's lots. And what I will do is just do another one where I'm going to add in some ribbon. This one, I think, excuse me, I'm going to use some of this silver trim. So this comes in a pack with silver and gold. So that's currently available. The rest of these products will be available very soon. So to add that on there, all I did was put my glue all the way over this. Pop that in there. I'll just separate it slightly. And then I'm going to add glue to all of this plain white one. And I'm going to sandwich that, hopefully keeping the ribbon in there. Just checking where I've got the glue now, so I don't get it on me. Oh, come on, behave yourself. Right, so I'm going to line that up at the bottom first of all. It's not quite in line. I just want to get the glue off my fingers first. Lift that up. Just squeeze it like that. And what I'm going to do is just put a little clip on that, hopefully without the hair, until that fully adheres. But there you go, you've got another quick and easy tag. The most difficult bit is adhering that tiny thin piece there. So that's what I'm going to show you how I did next. So we've got that tag and we've got that tag and we've got these different combinations. I'm going to do something. I'm going to adhere that on to there now, and I can get rid of those dies for now. So I'm bringing in my silicone mat, and this is just a normal piece of sponge. So it's from a little Bath and Body sponge, face and body cleansing sponge that I picked up in a little shop. Stampin' Up used to supply sponges that you could purchase, but they haven't done that for a while. But still got your silicone mat in the online store. Dab your little sponge to pick up that glue, and then dab it down and try not to move it so that you don't get glue on the front. Easier said than done, but you're just putting, it's really sticky, this glue, it's really tacky, love this. So you've got that now nice and tacky. I'm going to get that out of the way, and then I'm going to line that up on this one. Move over just a little bit like that. And once I'm happy, I'm going to plop a block on top. Give that a good press. And then we find out it's stuck to the block. Okay, now when that is dry, there will be a little bit of excess, I'm quite sure. So I use an eraser. Again, unfortunately, Stampin' Up no longer supply these, but you can get them from online retailers, and don't do that. Don't do it. I would normally leave that until it was fully dry before I tried taking off any sticky bits, for that very reason. But you get the idea. So these other ones that have, that one's fine. That doesn't, you know, you could just punch a hole in that. Maybe you would want to decorate it a little bit more to turn it into a tag. Similarly with that one, you could punch a hole at the top and put twine or whatever through it. This one, similar to these ones. So I think I'm going to use the, shall I use the gold? Why not? Let's just mix and match. See if I can get this one to behave itself a little bit better. Okay. So a little bit of glue on there. Like that. Then we'll put glue on the rest of it. And then I found a white one. I did have some spares. Yep, still got quite a few. I'm going to make sure that I put plenty of glue at the top there. Lining that up. Press that down. Get another clip. Like that. And there we go. So a nice easy way to make lots of lovely gift tags ready for your Christmas wrapping. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please click on that subscribe button, click the bell and get notification the next time I upload a tutorial. And as I said, this Decorative Trees die bundle, will be available in my online shop from the 4th of September 2024.